What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new and you've never seen my face before, hi, my name is Ash and this is my channel, Living Ash. You guys, today I'm excited to make this video because I finally got a fragrance from Victoria's Secret that I was dying to get. Now this fragrance is something that's actually not in the stores right now, and it was very popular, I want to say a couple years ago, and I didn't even know about it. And I'm sure some of you probably don't know about it, but if you have been collecting Victoria's Secret or just are a lover of Victoria's Secret perfume, Bath and Body Works, all that, you'll probably know what I'm talking about. This scent here, I didn't even smell it yet. It just got delivered in the mail today. It took forever to come. I'm excited because I'm gonna smell it for the first time, and I don't know if it's good. I've heard so many reviews about this. This scent, which I'm gonna tell you right now, is Victoria's Secret Vanilla Lace. And I, love vanilla scents. So if you love vanilla fragrances, this is the video for you. But before we even get into the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and become a part of the family. We literally grow every single day, and I would really appreciate it. And also, give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoy and if you like this scent, if you know what I'm talking about. So yes, this is the Victoria's Secret Vanilla Lace, and I've heard a lot of things about it. I am so excited to smell it, and this scent was actually rated one of Victoria's Secret's most popular fragrances at one point, and I think to this day it still is. Now I'm obsessed with vanilla scents. I have a lot of vanilla scents in my collection, but this scent for some reason struck me because a lot of people were like, it's way better than bare vanilla. That's what I heard. So I wanted to be the judge of that, and I'm going to be the judge of that today. So this is Vanilla Lace. I, for some reason, don't have the mist in the bare vanilla, and I don't even have the regular bare vanilla, but I do have bare vanilla in bloom. So I'm gonna try to compare it because I don't think this is too off from the actual bare vanilla from Victoria's Secret. Like, it's really not that big of a difference. And we're gonna see how that is. There is allegedly a dupe that I happen to have in my collection, thank God. This is the Vanilla Swirl from Pink, and this came out around the holiday time. So we're gonna get into this. Let's just smell Vanilla Lace and see if it's worth the hype. This is actually crazy to me because I'm like, oh my gosh, what if I don't like it? What if I like it? I don't know. I really was excited for this, and I was hearing it's like an actual vanilla. Like bare vanilla, they're saying, is not like the pure vanilla that they're looking for. This, they said this was the one. I've seen a lot of things about this too, where it's like a tempting scent, where like if you're looking for like someone's attention, like people will smell you. This scent has also been in many YouTube videos where people were like their favorite perfumes of all time, up with the expensive perfume, okay? And I also want to mention to you guys, this isn't cheap. This scent is expensive. There's another scent by Victoria's Secret as well called Pear Glaze, and that one is a fan favorite for real. I don't remember it. I wasn't really into Victoria's Secret around that time, but doing my research, I found out that that scent is very popular. Even the older bottles from years ago are selling at prices that are like beyond me, that I can't even fathom trying to pay out of pocket. But if it's that good, I feel like people will just buy it, and it's true. I can show you guys the prices right here on the screen right now for Vanilla Lace, and they go for $64.99 on Amazon. You have $100 for a lotion and mist set on Mercari for it's $100 for the two, and you guys know you can get these for as low as $3 during semi-annual sale. So when a scent is good, you'll usually see the prices are like sky high on like eBay, Mercari, or another like resale site, because man, it's hard out here, okay? These fragrances are hard to come by. If you know Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secret, they come out with scents so often and they just take them away so fast, and it's like people ask why we have such a big collection. It's because like we try to stock up because you never know when a scent is going to go away and literally never come back. But anyways, let's smell Vanilla Lace and see what the hype is about. I wish I had one of those little like spray things, like so you could test the scent. Actually, I think I do. One second. Okay, so I have this little tester spray and play from Bath and Body Works, so I'm gonna use this, and it doesn't have any scent lingering from anything else that was on it before, so I'm gonna use this to test Vanilla Lace right now. You guys, I'm so excited. Woo. All right, I don't even want to inhale because I'm like, I don't want to smell it before I even like get to, you know, when it gets like, you gotta fan it a little bit because it'll smell like alcohol or something. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm hoping I like it. Okay. Okay. I feel like I need more. I have a lotion on my body, so I'm like smelling that too. But you guys, so far I'm really liking it. Okay. Okay. So from smelling this, I see exactly what the comments were saying, and it is a very pure vanilla. It really reminds me of like adding vanilla in a cake, like vanilla extract. Like, it's a very pure vanilla scent, and I like it. And I have to spray it on myself because I feel like that's the best way to like know if I'll like it or not. And I like how it's coming out. It's coming out really nicely. Because a lot of my Victoria's Secret sprays, the new bottles, they just come out really harsh. This one's like a mist. I definitely like this, you guys. Now, would I pay $100 for it? Let's be real. No, I will not pay $100 for this. I paid a lot of money for this though. For me, I'm like, you know, for semi-annual sale, because I'm a semi-annual sale buyer, like I paid a lot for this. It was about, actually it almost was $30 because I had to pay a lot for the shipping. I'm not sure where this came from exactly, like where the location was, but I paid like $11 for shipping on top of like the price for this, so it was like 29 something, which wasn't bad because I really wanted to share this with you guys and tell you guys about this because listen, I just heard so many things. So now let's talk about the dupe they say this is for Vanilla Lace. I'm not sure because when I'm smelling this now, this is giving me pure vanilla vibes. Like this could literally be what I'm putting in my cake. This one here is the Vanilla Swirl. It has whipped vanilla and frosted snowflakes. And let's smell this too. See that? You hear that sound? It's like pew pew pew. They definitely smell different to me. Like they don't smell like crazy different, but this is one of the purest vanilla scents I think I've had from any brand. It's very pure for some reason since I've had it like sit on my skin. So I've had this Vanilla Swirl and Vanilla Lace on my skin, and I do have on another fragrance, so I'm really testing whether or not one is better than the other, because I'm hearing again that this is a dupe for this. This is from Pink, this is from Victoria's Secret, and as of right now, in terms of it being strong, or I would say longer lasting, I'm still smelling this on my arm and it's very prominent. However, I sprayed the Vanilla Lace multiple times on my arm and I don't smell it as much, and I'm not sure if it's because it's a bit lighter and it's more of like a pure vanilla scent, but as of right now I'm just not smelling the Vanilla Lace that much. I'm gonna spray it on my hand just to get two different perspectives, you know, because I don't really have lotion on top of my hand. So if anyone's gonna say this is a dupe for Vanilla Lace, I wouldn't say that at all. They have two different scents. Like, I know when something's a dupe. It legitimately smells the exact same, if not like a little stronger, but they're not the same. So Vanilla Swirl, I'm liking it a lot. I like this one a lot. So if you guys are interested in Vanilla Swirl, I would definitely recommend this to you. It smells so good. It is an amazing vanilla scent. Now in terms of the Bare Vanilla in Bloom comparison, let's see. Which is again another scent that is one of my favorites from Victoria's Secret. I think Bare Vanilla in Bloom smells so good. These are all three completely different vanilla scents, and it's so insane to me. Like Bare Vanilla and Bloom is definitely different. Like you rarely get that like vanilla orchid golden amber in there. But if you are looking for a pure vanilla scent, this one is it. Vanilla Lace is that pure vanilla. Bare Vanilla is also amazing, like don't get me wrong, but this is like a pure, like legitimate vanilla extract scent. I just thought about it and I was like, oh, I have another scent. This is a Victoria's Secret fragrance as well, super popular. This is the Sugar High. Now this also sells for super expensive, especially on Mercari and stuff like that. So I'm grateful that I have this a part of my collection right now, because honestly you guys, I did not think anything of it when I got it. Whenever I see vanilla, I try to get it, and I did think because this is like a sugary scent, this would be nice. So I'm going to actually compare and see if this is even close to, you know, Vanilla Lace. Not at all. Vanilla Lace, again, is the purest vanilla scent that I now have in my collection. So if you are looking for a very, very pure scent, again, Vanilla Lace is something I would recommend. It doesn't smell anything like these at all. I do have to commend Victoria's Secret and like Bath and Body Works and stuff like that for being able to incorporate vanilla in all these different scents, yet still making them all have their own sense of individuality. And that's also extremely nice, especially for a collector who is, you know, collecting a large amount, and you don't want to have all of the fragrances in your collection smell the same. What's the point? So this is awesome. Now if you guys can get it for a really, really good price online, because I know you guys are probably gonna go search for this, I hope that you can, because you guys will see that it's expensive. Is it worth it? I wouldn't say that it's worth anything over $30. So that's my honest opinion. Now you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to compare the scents and just talk to you guys a little bit, because sometimes I don't find these type of videos on YouTube myself. Like any video about Vanilla Lace was really, really old, so I am appreciative of being able to make this video for you, in case you guys were wondering about this scent too, and if you guys have it in your collection and haven't heard anyone talk about it recently. And I really, really appreciate you guys for watching. I do have another video coming very, very soon. If anything, it'll be up right after this, and that will be my fall dupes for Bath and Body Works. So I really, really am excited for that. There's some really good stuff, and I am going to be comparing some scents from Bodycology, so stay tuned for that. I also want to update you on the channel that I am going to be starting with my boyfriend, which is amazing. You guys are so awesome. We're already at over 100 subscribers, so that's awesome. I will be seeing him next week, and you guys will get more information on that. We are a long distance couple, so we don't really live near each other, so we have to travel to see each other, and you guys know times are really, really crazy right now. But next week I will be seeing him, so then we will make our first video around then, and it will be posted so that you guys can watch and, you know, just share that journey with us on that channel. And if you don't know the channel name yet, it is Pat and Ash Vlogs. I'll leave the link in the description. And yes, so video coming very, very soon. And I do appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel and becoming part of the family. You guys are awesome. I tell you guys that in every video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care and be safe, and happy Sunday when you guys see this. Bye guys.